Okay, class. So once again, I'm going to clarify this doubt that who all were on board. Prospero had created this tempest with the help of Ariel, and on the ship there were important people like Alonso, the king of Naples. Here I have written it. Antonio, the Duke of Milan. Ferdinand, the Prince of Naples. Sebastian, the brother of Alonso. Gonzalo, an old lord, and other courtiers. Apart from this, listen to this very carefully. Apart from this, you will have to write very important characters specifically for Act 1, Scene 1, The Tempest. Boatswain, mariners, and the master of the ship. I'm going to repeat it. Very, very important. And remember this. These characters have already entered Act 1, Scene 1. That means they are on the ship along with Alonso's team. Along with Alonso's team. So this is the answer to your question. Don't worry, I would be teaching you in Act 1, Scene 1 that what is the role of boatswain, who are the other mariners, who is the master of the ship, what is the condition of the ship. But now I am going to move ahead and explain you the summary. So students, I was explaining you the summary of Tempest. And I mentioned that we were over here. 12 years have passed. Now let's see what happens after 12 years. After 12 years, Alonso and his team, they both were returning from Africa. Why Africa? Now all your ears to me. Alonso's daughter. Who is Alonso's daughter? I need an answer.
Claribel.
Very good, very good. Alonso's daughter is Claribel. When Alonso is the king of Naples, do you think that he will get his daughter married to a common man? No, never. He gets his daughter married to the king of Tunis. He gets his daughter married to the king of Tunis. And now when they were returning from Africa, where are they going back? Where are they returning? They are returning to Italy. Where in Italy? Naples. Keep raising your doubts in between. So in the midway, Africa to Italy, in the midway itself, Prospero creates a tempest. The tempest is controlled by Prospero with the help of a spirit named Ariel. A spirit named Ariel. Now, Alonso and his team, they feel that they will die. Boatswain, the master of the ship, other mariners also think that now their death is approaching, because no one can control that tempest. Obviously, we know that nature can never be controlled by human beings. But students, you'll have to understand this very important point, that Prospero does not have any intention. Prospero does not have any intention to kill anyone. He just wants to take his revenge. Remember this, Tempest, the major theme of Tempest is revenge. Now, one by one, Prospero will start getting them to the island. So let's discuss about Ferdinand. I already mentioned that he is the Prince of Naples. Prospero, what does he do? He has already instructed Ariel that I want this Prince of Naples on this island. Why? Because he wants Ferdinand and Miranda to get closer. He wants Ferdinand and Miranda to get closer so that they both get married. So that they both get married in the future. Now there is a question coming up for you people. There is a question coming up for you people. What would be the benefit? What kind of revenge? Students, I have just a small request. Just a small request. Please, if you can fulfill this, because the session is being recorded. And believe me, it is completely safe and secure. I just would request you to turn on your videos for 30 seconds. Please. I know you won't say no to this. Only for 30 seconds. Thank you so much, Tanishq. Thank you so much. Tanishq is looking like a bodybuilder today. Very good. हो. Sleepy faces. कितनी मजबूरी में क्लास कर रहे हैं देखिए जरा. बेटा पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा ही. टेम्पेस्ट. This is so tough. Okay, fine. So, students, मैं जब बोलूं that you can turn off your videos, then you are free to turn it off. तो मैं क्या समझा रहा था मैं बताता हूं अभी. Okay, so class, yes, thank you so much. That's it. That's it. Turn it off. Okay. So can anyone tell me that why is Prospero planning to get Ferdinand to the island? And what is this plan all about, that he wants his daughter to get married to Ferdinand, wants them to get closer? How would this satisfy his revenge? Any one of you, please reply. Yes.
Sir, because he wanted to see that Prospero will do something with her daughter-in-law.
Because later she will be the Queen of Naples.
Later she would be the Queen of Naples. Now few